In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Because it's not possible to pay with PayPal on the Amazon website, you have to do it with other ways. You can, for example, buy with a credit card or with your bank account, but I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal. So, when you search for a product, for example headphones, you want to buy these headphones. Just as an example, hit buy now, deliver to this address. As you can see, the only thing we can use is credit and debit cards, gift cards, and store cards or other personal data. But as you can see, there's no PayPal option. So what the solution for this is, you can go to a website that's called dundle.com. Just dundle.com, and as you can see, my country is the Netherlands. I'll change the language quick to English, just like this. And what you can do with this site, you can buy Amazon gift cards with PayPal. So when you go to gift cards, as you can see, here is the option Amazon gift card instant delivery. Visit this page, and as you can see, here are all different kind of Amazon gift cards with different values. And if you want to buy the €5 one, we can order, checkout. And as you can see, the payment method is also included with PayPal. So you can use PayPal to buy a gift card on Dundle. So when you buy a Dundle gift card with PayPal, you can go back to Amazon. You can go to gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes. You can enter your gift card here, and then you can pay with PayPal on Amazon.com. So this is how you have to do it, and I hope I helped you.